At 400 meters long, this Leviathan displaces water with surprising efficiency, a testament to modern marine engineering.
All right, we're aligned, lower 5 meters.
Copy that, coming down steady.
Flatness deviation is within tolerance.
Internal scan clear on section 3.
All right, marking the approval code now.
This 400-meter vessel, as plasma arcs transform raw steel into
Automated beveling machines grind the steel plates with surgical precision. This preparation is vital for the full penetration.
Lower slowly, watching the laser alignment.
Hold it right there. Looks good.
Confirmed alignment. Proceed with securing.
Check the laser alignment on the next section.
It's steady. Bring the beam in slowly. We are clear.
Clear the carriage.
Wait for the green light, move it slowly.
Align the guide structure now. Holding steady, ready for welding.
Start the arc. All right, ease it through. We need another clamp right here.
Got it. Check the label on that one, making sure it matches the schematic.
SPMT Group 4, slight adjustment to the starboard side. Cranes are tracking overhead, confirm alignment. Hold position, hold position!
Bring it down slow, watch the keel blocks.
Alignment confirmed, you are clear to set.
Alignment is holding steady at the center line.
Confirmed. The gap tolerance is within specification.
All right, secure the jacks and prepare for the welding team.
The keel line forms the central spine of this vessel. Precision welding is critical. Joining these massive...
Watch the rig on level 3.
Moving up now, clear the line.
Measuring tape confirms the 30-meter mark.
Okay, the total station reading matches the model perfectly.
Verified. Hull geometry is within tolerance.
Hold it steady on the starboard side.
Easy now, coming down slow. Watch the clearance.
Looks good, keep lowering.
Still high on the starboard side. Ease it down slowly. That's it, right on the mark.
Crane, hold position, we need adjustment on bay 3.
Roger that, holding steady.
Alignment looks good, start bolting.
Slow lift on the starboard side, watch the clearance. Roger that, coming up slowly. Easy, bring it down slow.
Watch the starboard side.
All right, it's clear on the left. Hold it steady, just a few more inches down.
All right, we have alignment. Start the impact wrench.
Fumes are clear for welding. A little higher on your side. Hold it. Flanges aligned. Start bolting sequence 3.
Markings confirmed.
Watch the alignment on the starboard side. Looks good. Go ahead and secure the clamp. All right, initiating the power sequence on panel 4.
Green lights across the board. Voltage is stable.
Confirmed. System check is complete. Align the screen slightly to the left. Okay, holding steady.
Check the wiring harness connection now.
Easy now, easy. Bring her down.
Lower it slowly, watch the starboard side.
Okay, hold it there.
We need a wrench over here now.
Activating primary systems. Monitor readouts closely.
All indicators green on auxiliary power.
Confirmed readiness on engine control. Docking control to all stations. We have reached the critical flooding level.
Confirmed. Control. Levels are stable across the bow and stern.
All tugs, reduce power to 5 knots.
Deck crew, prepare fore and aft lines for securing.
The vibration levels look good on the starboard engine.
Agreed. Let's check the radar sweep alignment.
Secure the forward lines. We are underway.
Aft lines are clear. Stand by for sea trials.
Main propulsion sequence initiated.
Confirming steady RPM increase. Fuel pressure holding.
All parameters in the green.
At 400 meters long, this Leviathan displaces water with surprising efficiency, a testament to modern marine engineering. Drastic reduction in speed is visible. Well done.
Radar sweep aligned.
Confirmed. Sector 4 is green.
Check the RPM correlation on screen 3. It's stabilizing right within tolerance.
Confirmed. Log the results for the last cycle. The efficiency is optimal.
We hereby present the completed vessel to the owner.
And we formally accept delivery. Thank you all.
Right, crane, hold position. Swinging the forklift around now.
Roger, holding steady.
Clear to move forward, Charlie.
All right, crew, listen up. This is Muster Station Gamma. Ensure your PPE is secure and account for the personnel next to you.
Alignment on Cell Guide 7 looks good.
Confirmed. Clearances are within tolerance.
Engine room, this is deck. Lubrication system final fill is proceeding nominally at 50 liters per minute.
Millimeter, surveyor.
Registration is complete. Hoist the flag.
Weather outlook for the next 24 hours, Chief Officer.
All clear, Captain. We are good to go.
Marking the transition from build to service, the ultra-large container ship sets sail for the first time.
Send the headlines ashore.
Heaving the messenger now.
Slack away the spring line, easy.
Shore power synchronized. Auxiliary shutdown sequence initiated.
Bridge, this is port control. You are cleared for berth 7.
Roger that. Port control. Checklist complete.
The activation of these towering ship-to-shore gantry cranes represents the pinnacle of industrial might.
Coming down centered. Copy that. Locks engaged.
Bridge, verify AIS track 47.
Track 47 verified. Course steady at 090.
We need to adjust waypoint 4, moving clear of the red zone.
Confirmed. The new route shows a 5% efficiency gain.
Ballast indicators are stable. We have green across all metrics.
Confirmed, Captain. Center of gravity is optimized.
Bridge lashing secured on number 4 row.
Confirmed. Move on to the twist locks. Check for corrosion.
The flow rate is stabilizing nicely at 15 tons per day.
Confirmed. We are maintaining target speed.
Radar sweep clear. Engine telemetry steady at 22 knots. Maintain course 090.
Bridge to mooring station 1, standby lines 3 and 4.
Aye, bridge. Line standing by.
Control, this is deck supervisor. Confirming blue container drop on AGV-4. Clear the next hold now.
This is the continuous global trade cycle, an endless stream of goods powered by these colossal vessels.
Look at this spike in cylinder 2 exhaust temperature.
It's slightly above the baseline, but the lubrication rates are stable.
Agreed. We will continue to monitor the trend closely.
Stress levels are well within acceptable limits. All green. Confirmed. Forward array is stable.
Tank levels are stabilizing at 95%.
Confirmed. Stability margins are well within the green zone.
Closing the main manifold valves now.
Log that as satisfactory. Check the tension reading.
Reading confirmed. Within tolerance.
Maintain course 1550. Ensure safe passing distance on the approaching vessel.
Aye, Captain. 150. Passing port to port.
All clear on the bridge, engineer. The next watch is yours.
Thank you, Captain. We'll monitor the stabilizers closely.
Sulfur levels are well within limits.
Scrubber status confirmed green. Logging the data now.
Route adjustment confirmed. ETA holding steady at 0700.
Understood, Captain. I'll notify the maintenance lead.
Secure lines 5 and 6. Double check the tension.
Cranes are clear to approach the forward section.
Gangway swinging over. Watch your spacing.
RPM stabilized at 200.
Confirmed. Initiate coolant flush sequence B.
Sequence initiated. Pressure holding steady.
Isolation point valve 3B secured.
Confirmed on tablet. Breaker panel 7 locked out.
Confirmed. All tags verified.
Okay, the bore scope is showing some buildup here.
Yes, I see that. Let's mark this area for further analysis during the next dry dock.
Chronometer reading is stable. Double check the tolerance.
Confirmed. I am entering the data into the maintenance log now. Insulation resistance is reading high.
Good. Record the value for panel A.
Check the seam right here, starboard side, section 4. Noted. Looks like acceptable undercut, but let's log it.
Check the starboard linkage response. Reading confirmed. Indicator is green. Tolerances are nominal. The stress points here look good after the reinforcement.
Yes, the data confirms it. We can approve the section.
Final connection clear.
Stand by forward lines.
Bridge, vessel ready for departure. Bridge, confirm alignment is good. We are approaching the 500-meter mark.
Roger that. Keep her steady as she goes.
Dock control, this is Sector 4. Dewatering proceeding as planned.
Roger that, Sector 4. Keep monitoring the starboard blocks.
Verifying the structural load is critical. The keel blocks and side supports must bear the ship's full weight, ensuring even distribution across the massive hull.
Structural integrity looks solid here. How's the coating quality on section 4?
All parameters green. Lead surveyor. Finalizing the approval now.
Keel blocks are clear. Stability looks good.
Reading confirmed on starboard side.
All right, gentlemen, the vessel is officially refloated. The controlled departure of a vessel requires absolute tug.
The data confirms the projected efficiency gains.
Yes, the shaft power metrics look excellent.
The colossal 400-meter vessel, fresh from assembly, returns to the open ocean, ready to rejoin the global trade routes.
Tug 2, maintain pressure on the bow. Deck crew, stand by forward lines.
Roger, Captain. Lines are ready.
Mooring team ready on the quay.
Pintoid, sir. After months in dry, the newly overhauled hull is ready for action. The synchronized loading ensures maximum efficiency.
All systems are confirmed green, logging the final operational review as complete.
Confirmed, Chief. We are ready for departure.
Baseline metrics established. Vibration analysis is nominal.
Good. The long-term monitoring system is fully active.
As you can see on the schematic, the upgraded ballast system drastically reduces transfer time. Ensure your logs reflect the new parameters.
The thermal sensor on Block 4F is showing a 15% deviation from the model.
Confirmed. The synchronization update correlates with the predictive alert.
Speed curve stabilizing at target 9.
Confirmed. Logging the trim adjustment now.
Phase 1 environmental performance is fully compliant with global standards.
Excellent. Proceeding with digital verification.
The 25-year life cycle cost projection is solid.
And the maintenance ROI holds at 15% across all scenarios.
All hands, secure the deck. This is not a drill.
Aye, Captain. Engaging stabilizers.
Cargo secured, sir.
The high-performance coatings reduce drag, but the automation suite offers better long-term efficiency.
Agreed. Let's finalize the automation upgrade plan.
I just submitted the observation on the crane scheduling.
Saw it come through. Excellent suggestion. Thank you.
Finalize the integration sequence for the Asia-Pacific routes.
Processing confirmation. Routes are active.
Crane 4, clear to lower the red 20-foot.
Affirmative, dropping now. Make sure the truck is ready at Bay 3.
The fatigue maps have stabilized across the hull.
Confirmed. The life estimates are well within parameters. Logging the approval now.
They've updated the schedule for the wellness workshops. Okay, I see the new rotation here.
We should inform the others during the next briefing. Pathway Gamma shows the highest viability for resource recovery.
Confirmed. Submitting the authorization sequence now.
Check the checksums on the final block assembly data.
Verified. We are green across the board.
Moving with unwavering purpose, these ships are the true infrastructure of our interconnected global civilization.